In this video, we are going to learn Deform Tool curve to curve. For that, I am going to create one shaft. We'll select front plane. We'll make one rectangle. For that, I am taking center rectangle. So I created one rectangle here. Let's specify the size of this rectangle. This is 10. This to be 200. Exit. Now we'll extrude this at the depth of 2. OK. Now I'm going to select the face of this, sketch on it, and draw one line at mid. Exit. Now we are going to split this part by using split line. We'll go to curve option, take split line. Here we'll define projection. We'll define the sketch to project on the face, this sketch, and here we'll select the face and do OK. By this, I splitted my face into two parts. Next, we are going to create one extra curve. By that, we are going to deform my body. So I'll selecting from here how I want to deform. Will define. I'll take straight line, and here I want to take some curvature. Then again I will be continue with a line like this. We can make fillet to make more smooth both sides. We'll specify some radius value here also. Do OK and exit. Now to deform, we'll go to search here, deform command. So first we'll set here commands, then we'll search deform. Now here we have to specify curve to curve. We have on this curve, we'll select this, and then we have to specify second curve. By that we are going to deform the shape. We'll select the second curve. So how you want to travel over the curve, you select that complete curve. Now to get exact body, you take here uniform option. Then you can increase the shape accuracy, and if you want to follow the curve direction, you click on follow the curve direction. So we'll select this shape, how the shape you want to control. You can control the shapes, take any one option and do OK. So this is how we can use a deform tool. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching this video.